Okay, what's up guys, back with another slamming YouTube video. Today, I'm going to be showing you something really cool you can do with a balloon gun. Well, you can give yourself balloons. If you want that, you have to aim it at your chest. Oh, wait. Go to my leg. Yeah, but you can give yourself balloons. You know. But yeah, so again with this stuff, let's just get with it. So, the thing that I want to fucking balloons, bro. Come on, bro. So, the thing that I wanted to show you guys is to make something kind of. And so you're gonna want to get the table, get a go-kart preferably. It's like a transport thing. Get a go-kart and you can maybe like drop it in off of the UH-60 Blackhawk mod, the helicopter. You can like put that in there and drop it off and like shoot balloons and then it'll like go down really slowly. So the thing I wanted to show you guys was, so you want to get your go-kart in here if it can fit, and then you're gonna want to train up, but that's stupid. If you have the beam gun mod by Corp, that works better than this thing, the Plankernator. So I'm gonna call it from now on Plankernator. But yeah, so the beam gun works way better. So you're gonna wanna get your go-kart, whatever you want, in first. You can also have yourself in. You used to call me on my cell phone. So you'll wanna line it up. Get a beam on there. Then line it up to over here. Get a beam on here. Line it up to over here. You get the drill. But yeah. So yeah, you really just want to do this. You know what I mean? If you're really paranoid about it moving, you can just add another line across. And another line on top if you're really, really paranoid about it moving. Okay, well, it kind of broke. I mean, yeah, so basically you want it like this. Just like that, then add your balloons. Right here. Like in the corners and stuff. And then it should start rising, and pull it. And then maybe add like one or two on the go-kart. Oh yeah, and you can make it above. I almost forgot about that. I should have said that. Like things above, and just make it even. Just add like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of what I did, because that obviously won't work. And actually you can if you do it above. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you later in the next video. Bye, guys. If you made it to the end, thank you. And I wanted to say, you're such a for real Ohio Skibbity Sigma. Alright, bye.